Good morning, Mayor, and also to our visitors. I would like to get confirmation from our City Police Director. Was there any official statements in the form of affidavit extracted or elicited from the alleged victim of an abduction? If there was none, could we possibly request for his presence so that maybe we could also directly ask him to narrate what really happened, so that we will not be one-sided, that we only got the report from the police. Not that we do not trust your report, but we also would like to hear from the very person himself to explain to us through an affidavit, if there is or there is none, if possible, pwede kita kung nile-imbita. And I support the question of Mr. Pareño about that possible case that could be filed against anybody who would be doing the same thing out of the fiction of his own imagination, doing all these hoax, at least to avert these things in the future. And my last concern, I would like to go back a little to one published report in the newspaper, which says, and I quote, that Zamboanga City is still in fear that we will be attacked again by lawless elements like the MNLF faction. That's on security aspect. I would like to get it straight from you, sir. Was it your advice to our local chief executive to issue that statement that Zamboanga City is open to a possible attack again? If not, I don't know how would the mayor tell us now the rationale for that statement.
So you have just given me 3 questions. On the first question, is this the wish of the police investigator to get the sworn statement of each and every alleged abducted person? But it is also their right to keep silent. But we will continue to engage them, persuade them to give us a written statement, sworn and written statement. On your second question, whether they want to appear in front of the media, that is also their own calling. Whether they want to request to be questioned by the media, we have to respect their rights too. In the case of the Vice Mayor, we had sworn statements by some business partners and also the police manning the Periculture Hospital. But when we were asking the family for the subscription of the sworn statements, they no longer wanted to have it sworn. We went with AKG to the family to engage the Vice Mayor on getting her statements written and sworn. But they invoke that she still have to rest. But we will continue to engage them. With the case of the student, how we wish we could also get the statement of the alleged victim. So we can compare it with documentary evidence and testimonial evidence that the investigators will have. On the third question, whether Zamboanga City is going, did I give the local chief executive that information? I did not. And what the Zamboanga City Police Office leadership is doing is providing assistance to the local chief executive on how we better secure Zamboanga City from possible atrocities by the different threat groups that are lingering within the horizon of Zamboanga City.